Carbon and its compound. Hydrocarbon, hydrogen, carbon. Compounds of carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbon. Compounds of carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbon. For example, methane, CH4. It is a compound of carbon and hydrogen, so it is known as hydrocarbon. Ethane, C2H4, again hydrogen carbon. Ethene, C2H4, ethylene, C2H2, etc. So compound which is made from carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbon. Now hydrocarbon is classified in three groups: saturated hydrocarbon means stable, unsaturated hydrocarbon, and aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, we will discuss about saturated and unsaturated only. So example of saturated hydrocarbon is alkane, and the formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, example alkenes: CH4, C2H6. Alkenes contain single hydrogen bond. That's why it is saturated hydrocarbon. It is already saturated. New compound, new atom cannot be added in this compound. So it is saturated. Alkenes are saturated hydrocarbon. The formula is C2H2n. CnH2n plus 2, CH4, C2H6, etc. Unsaturated hydrocarbon, it is of two types: alkenes and alkynes, means double bond and triple bonds are unsaturated hydrocarbons. And the formula is CnH2n for alkenes, and alkynes formula CnH2n minus 2. Got it? Okay. Let's discuss about them one by one. Saturated hydrocarbons, alkenes. Formula is CnH2n plus 2, where N denotes the number of carbon atom. If there is one carbon, then a number of N is 1. 2 ones are again number of N 1. Okay, plus 2. So in this, the carbon atoms are connected by only a single bond. Here carbon atom is connected only by a single bond. Saturated hydrocarbon, example alkane. Alkanes contain single hydrogen bond. For example, methane, ethane. Okay, let's see. CH4. Okay, 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen. We know the valency of carbon is 4 and hydrogen is 1. So 1 electron will share and will form single hydrogen bond. Okay, we have to see that there should be 4 hydrogen bond around carbon. Okay, now C2H again ethane, C2H6, C2 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again single bond, both carbon will have 8 electrons now and single bonds, 1 2 3 4 and sharing electrons, so it will get 8 electron again this. Okay, we can identify alkane groups by like this: CH4, C2H6. Now here number of carbon atom is 1. Put in this formula, put 1 in this formula. 1 2 1 are 2, CH 2 1 are 2 plus 4, CH4. Now C2H6 2 carbon atoms, so number of N is 2. 2 2 are 4, 2 6, 2, C2H6. Okay, so with the help of this formula we can easily identify this belong to alkane group, alkene or alkyne. Got it? Now next is unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkenes. General formula is CnH2n, where N is equal to number of carbon atom In this, two carbon atoms are connected by double bond. It is alkenes group na. Here carbon atom will connected with two hydrogen bond. For example, ethine means C2H4. Okay, here two carbon atom, four hydrogen, 1, 2 and 4 hydrogen atom. So one bond, one electron, two electron, 3, 4. Only 4 hydrogen is there na. So we will put 2 electron here. These two carbon will share 2 electrons. So double bond will be formed. So in alkene groups contain double hydrogen bond. 8 electron should be completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 electron hydrogen, 1 for this, 1, 2. Okay, and here now 8 electron is completed. Okay, so 4 carbon will have 4 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here propene. Propene means prop C3. Ene, then 3 to the 6, C3H6. Okay, so here 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 and hydrogen 6. Okay, now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now here we will see this carbon is containing 4 bonding, 4 hydrogen bond, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then here 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? C3, 3 carbon and 6 hydrogen atom. This is the structure of propene. Okay, now put the value of 3 here. For propene, we know prop 3 carbon, ene double bond. So you can easily write propene here. Put 3 carbon, 3 to the 6, C3H6. Butene, here for but 4 carbon, so C4, 4 to the 8, C4H8. Got it? Now next is alkyne. Formula is CnH2n minus 2, where n number of carbon atoms. In this, 2 carbon atoms are connected by triple bond. Okay, for example, ethylene C2H2. See, 2 carbon, 2 to the 4 minus 2, C2H2. For propene, prop means 3 carbon, so C3H, 3 to the 6 minus 2, C3H4. Okay, now for ethine, firstly write 2 carbon and 2 hydrogen. Now combine this with bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 1 hydrogen is here, so we have to put 3 bond here. Then it will contain 4 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, this is the structure of propine, C3H4. Okay, C3, 1, 2, 3, 4H. For look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, single bonding only. Here 1, 2. So completed 4 bonding. So 3, put 3 electron here, then 3, 1, 4. Okay. Now for this carbon 3, 1, 4. So this is the formula of C3H4 means propine. So propine contains, alkyne group contains 3 hydrogen bond, means 2 carbon is joined with 3 hydrogen bond. We have discussed about electron dot structure of hydrocarbons.